Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I hope that all of you are fine, studying at home and giving a proper time to your studies. I hope that my voice is clear and all of you are able to listen to me. Can anyone just confirm me by raising the hand? Yes, or is I have unmuted you? Okay, I hope that my voice is clear.
Yes, sir, your voice is very clear.
Okay, fine, good. So what we were doing last time, actually, we had started the revision specifically for our upcoming monthly test that you are going to have, inshallah, on Monday, 15th of February. Fine. So it will be the test that you are going to have for chapter number 10. And I also made a revision in your last class for the project which has been given, because some students were facing problems. Some students have already submitted, and some students are there who are still facing some problems. So I was concerned about them to explain each and everything about the project, that how you can make a project using these options. These options are available in chapter number 10, and in chapter number 10 I revised these options. I also implemented these options in the last class. The video uh, will be attached in your Google Classroom. You'll be able to see the video as well. But right now, main concern is that those who are facing problem, first they should raise the hand who are facing problem, any problem related to the project. Why? Because project date has been over and I extended it up to 15th of February, because earlier I had given the date 10th February. Now you can submit it up to 15th of Feb, because some student had requested me that they were having some issues in installing Flash. They were not getting the version which is free of cost available, even though I had provided you the CS3 version in your Google Classroom, in which you will be able to see that uh, the link is given to you, okay, for free version. Fine. In one of our last classes, I had attached the link for that. Okay. So I told you that those who are unable to do, yes, here is the link on, uh, yes, 3rd Feb. Once again, I had provided you the link, and it is the link on which you will be able to get the Flash CS3 that you can download and install without any sort of payment and without having any issue of serial number or CD key or software key, or any cracking is not required in it. So now those students who have got any problem in yesterday's lesson, and you know that I covered the Flash web banner regarding these three options that we can apply on a Flash web banner: twin, shape twin, twin motion, and frame by frame motion. So I would request that those students who are facing problem in designing web banner, those who have already submitted, I can take their questions afterwards. But those who are facing problem regarding shape twin, twin motion, frame by frame, or if you want to have any explanation, further demonstration for these topics, so your problem can be solved, so I would ask that you should ask about that thing right now. Okay, fine. Yes, Daniel.
Yes, sir, I wanted to say, sir, can you tell me how to upload the animation, because I have made it already, but I don't know how to upload it.
Daniel, you know that just like you upload your tests and assignments, just like you upload your test file. For example, when you write on paper, your question paper. You write the answers for your questions in a paper, and you take image. You submit the image file over there. Okay, just like in assignments, students are submitting the assignments. In your monthly test, you submit the file for written work, whatever you would have done in your written work. So over here,
But
what you
sir,
need
I
to
don't,
do? Yeah. Yes, Daniel.
sir, I don't know how to save it the flash file.
Save your flash file. I had given you two options over here. Let me mention over there that when you are submitting the file, so what you need to do, you will write, you will submit over here the flash cs3 file. Okay, or submit the AVI file. AVI file means movie clip. Flash cs3 or movie clip. How we can create this movie clip, I can just explain you right now. The thing that you have asked, that how you are going to submit, let me explain you once again. Those who have got this problem, that how they are going to submit the file, I had given you these two options, that either you will upload this file, flash cs3 file, okay, or you are going to upload the AVI file, movie clip or MP4 file, which will be basically the video file that you can directly submit in your Google Classroom. So there isn't any problem that whether it is a flash file or it is, let me give you the example of yesterday's work. This was the work that we did yesterday. Now this is a file. I'm just explaining you right now. See, Daniel, who has asked this question, and the other students who are facing this problem, please see over here how you are going to take this file. This is the file. What is the name of this file? Untitled, because I did not save it with a name of the student. But what you are going to do, you will save it with your name, just like I'm just giving you the example. On my desktop, I am just saving it. Right now, Daniel has asked the question, so that's why I'm saving it with the name of Daniel Abbas P1C project, for example. This is the file. You are saving it on your desktop. So when you will close this file, now flash file is closed, flash is still open, but flash file is closed. You will be able to see over here that this file has been stored on your desktop. Since it is a flash file, of course, it could be only opened in flash. If I will double click on it, it will not be opened in the media player. So I ask you that either you will submit this file. When you will submit this file, so I will have to open it in the flash software. Or if you will submit the file, the movie clip file, just like if I export this file to a movie clip, this is the option that we have already gone through. Then I save it on my desktop, fine, movie clip, and I save it over here on my desktop. It is going to make one AVI file for me, which will be exported in AVI format, and we will be able to see that this is the movie clip file that we are able to open with any media player installed. So we'll be able to open in the VLC player, like VLC player, we can play this file. Okay, so it will be easier for us to view. Otherwise, we will be able to open this file only in Flash CS3. It's up to you, whatever convenient for you. Fine. Just like this is a flash file that we worked on yesterday. I hope, Daniel, this thing is clear. Can you give the feedback about it? Now this thing is clear.
Yes, sir.
.fl is
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
okay. Fine.
Now
Good.
I know how.
Okay. If your answer is clear, then lower the hand. And those who are asking the same question, they can lower the hands. Yes, Hamza Wasim, please.
Sir, I want to say that I submit the file, but I want to edit something to so I can resubmit it.
Hamza, normally when you have submitted, so of course the file has come to my drive. Okay, so that's why you don't need to do it. If there isn't any mistake, means we had basically this outline, that we need to include one text related to the school, any school. This was the project that I gave you, that you have to make one web banner where there will be some text related to the school, some pictures and some objects if you want to have, and you are going to apply the twin motion or the shape twin on these all things that you are using. So if these things are there, you don't need to re-edit it again and again. So you don't need to unsubmit it. Why? Because there is always chance for improvement. So you don't need to worry about it. If text, images are there and animation is there, you don't worry about it. And of course, it will be good. The marks will be returned to you when checked. I hope that this is clear now.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Fine. Okay. Yes, Amina Mustafa. I have unmuted you.
Sir,
Yes, please. Yes, I have unmuted you.
sir,
Yes, please.
can
Yes,
you hear
Amina.
me?
Yes, kindly.
Sir, I didn't submitted my project because when I opened Flash again, the same thing happened that my timeline was not there. I went to window, there was no timeline. It's like check. There is a check mark. Okay.
Okay, okay,
So,
listen.
sir, I haven't submitted. So,
Okay,
can I
see,
submit it today?
that's why some students who are facing such kind of issues, so that's why I extended the deadline up to 15. Now see over here. In your view menu, you will be able to see over here the things which are not opened. Either it will be available over here in the view menu, or it will be available in the window menu. These are the two menus I had told you. Something is closed, you can open it from here. Just like right now, you can see my timeline. So if I go there and I remove this check mark, then the timeline will not be visible. It does not mean that timeline does not exist. Timeline is there, but it is not open. So you need to go there and you will click on this timeline. The shortcut is Alt Control Entry. Then timeline will come. This thing is now clear. Will you please give me the feedback about it, Amina? Now this thing is clear. Try it, then let me know. Try it right now and then let me know. Okay. Raise the hand so that I can see that where are you. Raise the hand. Yes, Ayat. Ayat Zubair, you want to ask something? I have unmuted.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, my WinRAR free trial is finished. So can you tell me how can I delete it?
No, what you need to do with the WinRAR? Flash is not installed in your PC, or it is installed?
Sir, it says there's a problem and there is no. It says a link and it says it's not in your computer.
No, Flash is installed or not right now?
Sir, no.
Okay, you need to install the Flash as well.
Sir, I have installed and I have
Okay.
put it on my desktop and I extracted, put it
Okay.
on my desktop and I'm trying to open it. It's not opening.
Now, what? Now see over here. Those who are facing this problem, kindly see over here. This is the link that I have given you for the Flash. You will click on this button. Once again, I am telling you, although in one of our videos, this was already there and I explained it in the beginning when we had installed Flash a number of times. You click on it on this option, okay? Then Flash download is going to be started. It will not ask you for any amount or anything. The Flash download will be started. When the Flash will be downloaded, right now I have some things already downloaded because it will take time, of course. So you are going to see, this kind of folder. Can you see this? This is the folder of the Flash. Fine, that you are going to see. So you are going to right click on it and you are going to extract it. Just like I give you the example, after download, when you will see, I am putting it on my desktop. See over here. This is the Flash. I'll right click on it. I will extract it. For extracting, you need to have WinRAR installed on your computer. You can see over here, just like WinRAR is there installed on my system. So it is going to extract and it will make one folder, just like this is the folder which is being created right now. After extraction, this folder will be completed. Now, after extraction, the installation is complete. You don't need to run any setup. Okay. You don't need to run any setup because it will have one exe file. And I had explained this complete procedure that you will double click on that exe file and you will be able to use your flash from there. Okay. So over here, just like I am right now, I'm extracting it. So you will be able to see that what kind of exe file is there. This is the exe file that we need to find in this folder, which will be extracted. Whether it is on desktop, it is in your C drive, it is in your D drive, it does not matter. I where this thing is clear now.
Yes, sir.
So
Thank
where
you.
this file will be in this folder. Fine. You will go to this folder and you will find out this is the file. You will create a shortcut for it on your desktop in this way. Right click on it, send to desktop shortcut. Okay. And then the shortcut will be created in this way. This is the shortcut. And whenever you will double click on it, the flash will be opened in front of you. As where this thing is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Those who were asking the same question, I think their question will be resolved. Fine. Yes, Alicia Ahad. I have unmuted you.
Sir, I wanted to ask that when I download Flash from the link you have given on Google Classroom, I cannot. I have downloaded it 10 to 15 times, but it cannot be downloaded.
You need to log in with your administrator password. If in your family someone else has the administrator password, you won't be able to log in. Sometimes it happens that parents are also using the same laptop, and for kids they have made some other username or ID. That's why it happens. Okay. So you need to check this thing as well. And when you are running, this is an important thing. Note it down that when you're running, so you need to right click on it. You need to run first time as an administrator, run as administrator. Otherwise, it will not work. Fine, because it does not allow you to work if you are a guest or you are a user who does not have the rights to run or execute a new software. So it will be the problem. And Alicia, I think because you had joined this class late, you got admission afterwards when we had completed 2 chapters, I think, for the flash. So I hope this thing is clear. Whatever we studied last time, how to make the project, this thing is clear to you now, the steps.
Yes, sir.
Now you will be able to make the project.
Yes.
Okay, fine, 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 good. Anything else you want to ask?
No.
Okay, fine. So those who have asked the question, they can lower the hands so that if someone else has got the issue, then they can raise the hand, then they can ask me. Yes, Liman, I have unmuted you. Yesterday, I have revised you this whole procedure, how to make the project and how to use these options of twin motion, shape twin, and frame by frame motion in a single project. Okay, you can use any one of them to make your project. Yes, Liman, I have unmuted you. You need to accept the request and you will click, then you will be unmuted. Okay, Heather Sultan.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Yes, walaikum salam. Yes, please.
Sir, I want to ask right now. I am trying to download this Flash CS3, but when I click the download button after few seconds, it says not working. Repair your download.
Okay, some things already I have informed about some important things. Just like that, there must be some space available. Just like you can see over here, the download is in progress. You can see over here. So when this is done, so you'll be able to see the download in your downloads. And I showed you in my downloads that this is a free link available over here. Just like this is the software. I cut it and I pasted it
And
actually over here on my desktop. Yes.
Sir? And sir, I want to ask one more
Liman,
thing
you
as
just
well.
wait for a minute. Okay, yes, Heather, complete.
Sir, I want to ask, sir, can you tell me how we can put this background music?
Actually, background music was not there in our syllabus. I just explained you because some students were asking about it. That's why I explained you. And I think one of the students, I think Hiba, yes, Hiba had implemented it in her project as well. So that is not compulsory. Okay, it is basically in your next grade in P2 or P3. It is available over there. You need to do it. But I explained you because some students were asking that how we can give the background music. That's why. Fine. So right now there you're not that much concerned. You don't need to be concerned about the background music. If you just submit your project in this format, so it will be quite enough for us, okay, in this grade. So we don't say
Sir,
that
but
you have to submit with background. No, this is not the case. Okay.
no, sir. Okay, sir. But you know, the Flash CS3 item is different than yours. So I don't understand. And you know what is it like? The one image come, other image come, then image come, and it's like this only. So I submitted. If you have seen it,
You have
if
submitted
you
your project.
yes.
Okay, fine. I will see it and I will give you the feedback. Normally, what happens that if you are downloading the CS3, of course, it will be CS3. There won't be any difference. Otherwise, it happens that you have downloaded some from some other link. That's why there it is possible that some things are different and it is CS4 or CS5
I
or
have
any earlier
downloaded
version.
from your link. From your
If
link,
you
I
have downloaded
downloaded.
from my link, definitely this is the link that I shared. So it will be same as it is. There won't be any difference. Yes, this is possible that some things are closed. Just like right now, toolbox is closed. You will have to click over here. Fine. For example, these properties are not visible. So you will have to go and you will have to open the properties from here. So these are the things. Sometimes these boxes are closed. Students consider that this software is something else. They find it some different, but this is actually the same thing. And I had explained that when some option is off, you need to go to view or window to switch it on.
Okay, sir. But
Fine.
sir, right now I'm downloading. I will see what it says.
Okay, you check it. Keep in mind you have logged on your laptop with administrator, otherwise it will not allow you. Okay.
Okay, sir. It's downloading right now. I will
Okay.
see what it says.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Liman. Yes, please.
Sir,
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Sir, I wanted to ask that I don't understand the shape twin.
Okay, I just
I
explained you.
don't know how to do.
Okay, okay. See here, see here. I explain you right now by taking a new file. Don't worry. Any other thing? Liman, I'm going to explain you. You will be able to see right now. Okay. Once again, I will explain this thing once again. Yes, Iman Zafar. Yes, you want to ask something?
Sir, when I have submitted my project, but it does not like include a shape or text because whatever I need, I found it on the internet. So,
Okay.
like, is it
Images are there or not?
no images are there, and there's also animation and music.
Okay, fine, 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 good. Images are there, and maybe possible that some images will have text. These were the things using which you are supposed to make the project for a web banner. But if it is a web banner having images and creating a good impact, so not necessary that we need to use all the components in a web banner. Okay, just like you can make a web banner using only shape twin. You can make a web banner using only twin motion. You can make a web banner using only frame by frame motion. So not necessary that you are using all the three in your project. So if you have submitted, fine, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Liman, you will see over here, I'm going to explain once again right now for the shape twin. And what happens in shape twin? In shape twin, actually, you are going to change the shape of an object into another object. Either you are changing the shape of the object, or you are changing from text to any object, or from image to any object, from image to text, or text to image. Means you are not only changing the position of the object, but also you are changing the shape of the object. The object may be a rectangle, triangle, star, polygon. It may be a text, just like if you have written the name of the school, or it may be even a picture. And I had explained you all these options regarding all options available over here. Okay, so I explain you right now. You will see on your screen. Okay, in the meanwhile, the flash is going to respond. I take the next question. Yes, Heather, your question is done, or you want to ask something else?
Sir, I want to ask that after when you finish the lesson, can you show my project to the class?
Okay, if we'll have time, we will see. Okay,
Okay, sir.
fine. Okay. Yes, Amina, you have anything else to ask?
Sir, I tried the same thing you did and it didn't work.
Which thing? About
The
installation of Flash you are talking
timeline.
about?
No, Miss Sir, no. The timeline,
Okay, so
because mine is not there.
timeline will be opened from here, from this option. You will click this option, the timeline will be opened. Okay.
Sir, I did it, but it didn't work.
You have checked it, marked it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I see this thing as well. Now, please see over here when we are going to apply the shape twin, because one question is there for the shape twin. I'm going to draw one square over here, okay, in red color. What I'm going to do, I'm going to, this is basically on frame 1 right now. I click on frame number 40 and I press F6, and I bring this from this position to this position. Okay, and on this position, frame 1, at frame 1 the square is here, and at frame 40 the square is here. At frame 40 I delete this square and I draw something else. I convert it to, let's suppose, oval shape. This is the simplest example. And for example, I want to have this in yellow color, so I will take it in yellow color. Fine. So now over here it is a square at the right corner, left, at the left corner, top left corner, and over here it is basically a circle at the down right corner. What we are going to do in between these points, I will right click over here and I will click on this option, shape twin. Means change the shape from square to a circle. This is basically called the shape twin. I hope that Liman, will you give me the feedback about it, that you have come to know how do we apply? Yes, Reach, ask your question.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
ask
I
your question.
installed through your web link and my Adobe Flash folder is on desktop, but I can extract Flash shortcut it's not showing.
Actually, you need to extract it using WinRAR. WinRAR should be there in your PC. If it is not there, then in one of our lessons, I had also given the link for the WinRAR as well. Okay, you need to have WinRAR installed on your PC, then you will be able to use it. Before going towards any other question, let me mark the attendance.
Sir,
Yes, please.
how to install WinRAR?
I share one link. Okay, again, I am going to share one link because it was shared in one of our classes, but it will be in the back date. You will be able to find it out. But I give you the link once again. Okay, once again in today's
Okay, sir.
class, I show you that link. from which you will be able to download.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I share it.
Thank you.
So these are the students present today. Let me mark the attendance to Ali Sami. Huria and then Safi Siddiqui. Up to Sarim, Suleiman. Fine. Okay, so here is basically the link that I am going to share with you right now. I will give this link in your Google Classroom, hence you will be able to see the link. Okay. WinRare, for WinRare. Okay, this is the link for the WinRare that you will be able to see in your Google Classroom. I will upload this link as well, so those who don't have the WinRare installed, they will be able to install it from here. This is the link. Okay, if you are using Windows 32-bit, Windows 7, you will click on this option, or you are using Windows 64-bit just like Windows 10, so you are going to click on this option. WinRare will be installed on your PC. Just like when I clicked, can you see this? Has been downloaded. When I clicked it, suddenly it was downloaded, and now I will be able to see it in my downloads. You can see over here, it is coming in my downloads, 64-bit. The procedure is same. You will double click on it and you will be able to see that it has been installed. This thing is now clear. Okay. Yes, Liman, ShapeTwin is clear now.
Yes, sir. I have done it and checked in the Flash, and sir, it's working now.
Good. Okay, good. Reach. Now this thing is clear. WinRare link I am going to inshallah give you in your.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So one
Thank you, sir.
class. Okay, in one class was there for the 9th. I think it was, yeah, 10th. 10th Feb class was there, for which I will upload the video over here for yesterday's work. Okay, and in the same class I will also upload this link as well, so that you will be able to see the WinRare link as well over here. Okay. Yes, Heather Sultan, yes, still your question is not done.
So sorry, sir. I want to ask that what I told you before, that I have downloaded the Flash CS3. After I downloaded, there some options are coming like add, extract to test, view.
Right click
delete.
on it. Now see here, I had told you this option that you are going to right click on it and extract here, or you can extract files in your C drive by selecting the C drive. Okay, then when it will be extracted, it will become just like this folder. You can double click on it and you can find out this file. You can create a desktop shortcut. When you will create a desktop shortcut, you will see that this is the Flash which has been working in your computer system. This thing is now clear.
Okay, sir. I will check. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, I hope that all the questions are done now and all things are clear. You will submit your projects. Those who have not submitted, they will submit by 15th. Fine. Thank you so much, all of you. Our class time is now over.